Google has just released their best image generator model, and it is by far the absolute game changer. As you can see here, they are introducing the Gemini 2-point flash image, or everybody else now referring it as nano banana. As you can see here, we have 3 pictures that we can give to this model, and we can generate these high quality images. And as the performance, it is also outperforming the best models right now in the market. So we can see it is competing with these best ones like ChatGPT 4o Image 1 or Flux Context or Qwen. And what is best is that you can completely use it for free inside Google Gemini. So let's go to the Google Gemini, and I can show you how. So if you come to your Google Gemini, you see that they're saying new, try image editing with our best image model Nano Banana. And before that, just make sure that from the top menu you have to choose the 2-point flash. So now it is saying to upload an image and describe your edits. So right now I just gave this picture of mine, and I'm just saying that change my t-shirt and the glass frame color to white. Let's just hit enter and see what we get back. All right, now our image is ready, and it just took a few seconds, and let's just check it out. It changed the color of the t-shirt as I wanted white, and it also changed the frame for the glass. But the most important thing is that it didn't change anything about the characters. So the character consistency is at very high level. As you can see, the character is the same as the picture as I gave. But I'm going to show you a way how you can create an automation and automate the entire process without ever coming to Gemini app and upload your images manually or type your prompts. So let's just go to n8n and I'll show you how. And if you don't have accounts to n8n, or you are going to create a one using n8n Cloud, just to stop it, let me show you a better way. Instead of using n8n Cloud or just running n8n locally on your computer, you can use Hostinger. Hostinger is a platform where it allows you to self-host n8n without writing a single line of code. And it is super easy to set it up. Using Hostinger will allow you to unlock unlimited workflows, which you don't get it when you are using n8n Cloud. It also allows you to launch unlimited concurrent executions, and also you will access to community nodes. And right now they are offering 61% off. But I will also show you a way where you can also get another 10% discount. So in general, 71% off. Isn't that crazy? So here you see that they have these plans, and with only $6.99, basically $7 a month, you can get your n8n up and running. But if you are going to use cloud, you see that the minimum you have to pay is $20 per month, and you get 2,500 workflow execution per month, which is kind of not what you want if you are running your AI agents or AI automations 24/7. So let's just forget about n8n Cloud and just get back to Hostinger. So I put a link down in the description. Just click on that link and start creating your account. So once you click on that link, you will get to this page, and from here you can choose your plan. I suggest you to choose KVM2 because this is the best deal and this is only a limited time. So just go ahead and click on choose plan, and here on this page you need to submit your orders. And as you can see, you can choose your period, which is 1 month, 12 months and 24 months, which I'm currently using, and I'm suggesting you to do so because with this one you will get to save more than $264. And since Hostinger was kind enough to sponsor this video, you can use my code in order to get additional 10% off. So just come here and under this coupon code, just type Alitala and then just apply it. So you will see that you will get additional 10% off. So as you can see, this is our total bill, and you see how much we are paying for 2 years. This is so great. Next, you need to choose your server location. They almost have data center anywhere in the world. For better performance, you need to choose the one that is super close to you. So as you can see, in the Europe, the closest to me is Germany with the lowest latency. So just click the best one for you. And then we need to choose our operating system. So you need to go to application and choose n8n. And don't worry, the setup is super simple. I'm going to show you how you can do it under 2 minutes. So just confirm it, and from here you need to click continue. And now you need to create your account. Just use your email address and the password, or just sign in with your Google account. Once you're done creating your account, just come to your home dashboard and you will see your n8n VPS here. Just click on manage, and you have all this information that n8n otherwise won't give you. So this is another advantage using Hostinger. And from here you need to click manage account, and if you're coming for the first time, then you need to create an account for yourself inside n8n, just username and password. But for me, you can see that I'm already inside my app. So go ahead and click on that link in the description, create your account on Hostinger, and don't forget to use this code to get additional 10% off. Let's get back to the video. So here I created this workflow, and its main job is to either create a new image for us or edit our existing image. How does it work? So we have a form submission that we can submit our changes or our request. Then we have to determine, is it a create image or an edit image. If it is about to create a new image, then it goes to an AI agent, which is a prompt engineer, and will generate a high quality prompt for our image to be generated, and then we will send data to a nano banana and we get back our image inside our Telegram. The second route is to edit the existing image where we upload our image and we give our prompt what changes we want to apply to this image, and then we're gonna send everything again back to Nano Banana and we will wait for the image and get it back inside our Telegram. But in this video, I'm gonna show you a way how to completely use this Nano Banana for free inside your n8n. So in order to do that, we are going to use OpenRouter. OpenRouter is a platform that gives you access to all the different LLMs model inside your one account. You can literally have one account and have access to different models like Gemini, GPT-5 and Cloud Sonnet 4. So just go to openrouter.ai, create account for yourself, and the best part is that there is no subscription. You will only pay for your usage, so you can just top up your balance with some credits and then you can start using all the different LLM models that you want. So just create your account, and here if you go to models and from the left side you see that we have text, image, file, audio. These are the different models that different actions. So we want to use image and just click on image, and the first one you see it says Google Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview, which is currently free inside OpenRouter. Let's click on it. So here they have some overview about it, and again here they say that it is currently free, but we are going to use their API in order to access this model from our n8n. So from here just click on API and create a new API key for yourself, and if you scroll down they are also telling us how we can use their API with different methods, but the method that we are going to use is an HTTP request inside n8n. So we need to use the curl command. So here we have this curl command here. We can just copy this and go back to n8n, bring an HTTP node as I have here. You see that it is already configured. So what you can do is to just bring another node. Let's just do it here. So you can click import curl from here and paste the command and import it. So all these fields will be auto-populated for you. You see that the method has been changed to post. We have the URL now, but you need to configure some settings. So for example, here you need to change it with your API key that you get from the platform, and inside the body for the JSON, you need to also change it whatever you want. So here you can see we are wrapping our message and into this JSON, and we are choosing the model. The model is Gemini 2. Flash Image Preview free. The role is user, and the content we have type as text and another type as image URL. So if you need to create a new image, then you need to only send this text back to OpenRouter. But if you also want to include an image and perform some edits, then you need to also have this image URL and also the URL to the image itself. But don't worry, if you stay until the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can download my template for completely free and start using it without ever changing this HTTP request configuration or whatsoever. So you just need to download it and bring it into your n8n and just connect your credentials and start editing or creating new images. So now let's just go through a demo. I'm going to show you how we can create an image and then we can also edit that image. So now here we have a submission form that we need to submit our request. So let's just click this execute. It will pop up this form for us, and here we need to choose our purpose. So the purpose either can be create or edit. So I'm just gonna choose first create, so we can create an image, and now we need to give just a brief description of our desired outcome. So we are going to create an image of a lion and a tiger riding a boat, and we also have another field which is a reference image, but this is only for the time that we want to edit our image, so we can upload it here. But let's submit it, and the form is getting submitted, and now our AI agent is working on our prompt. So we can get that prompt and send it back to Nano Banana and get our image inside our Telegram. So I'm just gonna also bring my assistant here because we are going to receive this image here. All right, as you can see, now we got back our image inside our Telegram. So let's just open it and see how it looks like. You see that it is super high quality image, obviously with some details, but I just wanted a lion and a tiger inside a boat. So that is cool, that is fine. Now I'm going to show you how you can edit this image. Now I downloaded that image, and once again I'm going to execute the workflow so we can have the form, and this time I'm going to change it to edit. And again, I need to just write a little bit of edit that I want. So now for the edit prompt, I'm just saying that change the tiger to crocodile. And I also uploaded the same image that I got first, and let's just submit it. And now we submit it, it goes to this branch where we are uploading this image to a shared file inside our Google Drive. And now we're sending the data back to Nano Banana. So we will get the picture inside our Telegram. Let's see. All right, our picture is ready. Let's just open it and see. Yeah, we changed the tiger with a crocodile, and as you can see, the character for the lion it is super consistent. Basically it is the same. So let's just compare to each other. Yeah, you see that everything else in the picture it is same. The trees, the boats, the lion, this animal here, everything is exactly the same as it was. Even the water and the shadow is also the same, but we only changed the tiger with the crocodile. All right guys, this is super powerful. You can create so many high quality pictures, and you can also edit your existing photos and basically keep everything else inside the photo completely intact. So let me show you another example. I was using it before. So I just create an image like an AI agent going to the moon, and it just gave me this image with this spacecraft, and then I gave it back, and I told n8n to just change the color for this spacecraft to white. As you can see, it just gave me this picture and everything else is the same. It only changed the color for this. Let me just go back and forth. You can see that what is the difference. There is a slightly different, but the main thing is that we could change the color of this spacecraft into another color. There are also some other examples that I have created with n8n, like these pictures, and as you can see, they have really high quality. And now all I have to do is just to click this button here and activate my workflow. So every time I can submit a new form and I can get the really high quality image, or even if I can edit my existing image and get it back inside my Telegram. So now it's time for you to get this template for completely free. You can join my WAP community. The link to it is down in the description. Just click on that link and it will take you to my community here. Once you are inside the community, just go to the free resources and find the template and just download it. And if you are serious to learn more about how to create AI automations, AI agents, and AI voice agents, just check my paid community. Inside it, we have master classes for n8n, where I teach you from 0 to 100 how to become a master at n8n and create super powerful AI automations. I'm also dropping a new course on WAPI, which allows you to create a super powerful AI voice agent and to be able to sell them to the local businesses and start monetizing your knowledge. Definitely check it out, and if you have any questions, you can just get connected with me inside the community. Once you download the file, just come back to your n8n and open a new workflow, and from 3 dots just click on import from file. Just bring the file here and this template will be here for you, but you need to open all these nodes and try to configure them and set up your credentials. That's it guys for this video. If you enjoyed it, just give this video a like. It definitely helped me to show this video to more people like you who wants to create high quality images using n8n. If you have anything to say or any issues, just put it as a comment under this video. I'll be reading them and answering them as soon as possible. Don't forget to click subscribe button, because if you close this video, you're probably not gonna see me again. I wish you a great day and I'll see you in the next video.
n8n is the best image generator model and it is completely free for now. Go check it out now.